Exploring amazing birds A to Z. A is for albatross. B is for bluebird. C is for cardinal. D is for dove. E is for eagle. F is for flycatcher. G is for goose. H is for house sparrow. I is for ibis. J is for jackdaw. K is for kingfisher. L is for long-tailed tit. M is for macaw. N is for nightingale. O is for owl. P is for peacock. Q is for quail. R is for robin. S is for swan. T is for toucan. U is for Ural owl. V is for vermilion flycatcher. W is for wagtail. X is for Xanthus's hummingbird. Y is for yellow warbler. Z is for zebra finch. Thanks for watching Eaglets Club. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun.